Hello, you are welcome back to my channel, and this is Tom's Kitchen. In today's video we are making a recipe of yam porridge. We mostly call it in Ghana Mpotompoto. We mostly make it with smoked fish in Ghana, but today I am using chicken wings, and trust me, it tastes very delicious. So not to waste your time, let's get into the recipe. To make this recipe, these are the ingredients that you will need. I have some red oil, habanero pepper, ginger, garlic, scallion, yam, tomato paste, onion, and the protein is chicken wings. I will then continue by prepping all these vegetables on the chopping board. I will then add it to my blender and blend it until it is smooth. I will be listing all the ingredients at the comment section or the description box down below. So you can check it there and everything will be right there. I will add water, fennel seed, and coriander. With tender care, delicious meals we joyfully share, making moments everywhere. After that, I will put the chicken wings into the pot. Add half of the blended ingredient to it with bay leaf, half of tomato paste, some salt for taste, but less salt. Stir it and cover it and set it aside to continue to marinate. I then continue to peel the yam and cut the yam into dice. I will rinse it 2 times and put it into a different pot. When the yam is set, pour the left ingredients on it. Add sliced onion or diced onion, tomato paste, water. With the water, let it cover the yam fully or completely. Add a pinch of salt to it. I will then cover it and set it aside. Let's check on the protein if it is steamed. It has steamed a bit, so I will add some water to it to cover it and allow it to cook until the protein is tender. While the protein continues to cook, I will then bring the yam to a heat and bring it to a boil. And after some time, I check on the protein again and it has now cooked and it is soft or tender. Then I will open the yam, pour the stock in addition to the yam. I will then cover it and allow it to cook until the yam is soft. After some few minutes, I will check on the yam if it is cooked. And now the yam is ready. And as you can see, the water too has reduced or it has steamed to a certain level. Now you can taste for salt and then mash the yam. So I used the potato masher to mash the yam, but you can also use a spatula if you don't have the potato masher. I would like to know if you have already followed my page. If you haven't, then kindly subscribe to my page or follow my page. You can also click on the notification bell. I will then add the palm oil to it, and whilst I'm adding the red oil, I reduce the heat to 3. So after mixing it with the oil, I will let it to continue cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it should mix up with everything. Then the yam porridge is ready, so you can add the protein to it. And that is the reason why you have to cook the protein separately to cook very soft or tender. Because the moment you add it to the porridge or the yam porridge, it will not be tender again. So I will stir it and allow it to cook together for 5 minutes. Then the food is ready to enjoy. Isn't it simple? Very delicious and flavorful. Now that the food is ready, I will serve it into a bowl, and to enjoy it, we mostly use spoon to eat this or our fingers, and trust me, with fingers is very enjoyable. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Then give it a credit by clicking on the liking button. Don't forget to leave your comment, and you can also share the recipe, and by doing that it will save on your phone. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.